Yes, hello. So we are going to be talking about energy stored in capacitor. Okay, energy stored in capacitor is simply the work done in charging the capacitor. Okay, now this work is stored in the capacitor as electrical potential energy. So this work is stored as what? Electrical potential energy. Okay, so I said earlier that energy stored in capacitor is simply the work done in charging the capacitor. Okay, now note this: when a charge is moved through PD, okay, the work done is equal to average potential difference times the charge. Average potential difference than the charge. So if we further simplify it means we have V. Potential difference is the same thing as V times Q. But you still remember the formula, this formula. Okay? Q is equal to what? CV. So we are going to be playing with this formula to get varieties of this formula. We'll play around it and then we'll get varieties of formulas. Okay, these varieties of formula will enable you to choose the appropriate formula to solve any problem you are given. Okay, maybe sometimes they will give you C, you don't need C to solve. They might give you Q, you don't need the Q to solve. It's just to know how to manipulate around this. Okay, so now let's do this. From this we are going to substitute. I know you say, this is small q, this is big Q, it's still charge. It's the same thing. So now if we put this in place of this, we'll have something like this. Half VE times what? CV. Okay? If we combine this together, we have W is equal to half what? CV squared. This is one formula. Let's make V the subject of the formula from here. So if you make V the subject of the formula, you have V is equal to what? Q over C, right? Am I correct? Yes, I am. So if we replace this one with this, can you see what I'm doing? If we replace this one with this, let me copy it again. Half V times Q. Okay, so if we put this one here, we have W is equal to half. Instead of putting this view, this arrow is too much. Instead of putting this V here, I hope I'm not talking to myself. Instead of putting this V here, I replace with Q over C. So we have Q over C times Q, right? So we have another formula here, half Q squared over C. What other manipulations can we do again? Which other one? I think that's all. So the formula can either be what? Either with this is 1, this for work done, this is 2, this is 3. Either of these formula can be used to find energy stored in capacitor. And I said energy stored in capacitor is simply the work done in charging the capacitor. I hope you enjoyed today's teaching. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.